Hey guys, it's Jigglypuff444, and today I'll be opening up a Jigglypuff Amiibo. So, yeah, let's get into it. So, yeah, here it is. This is the Jigglypuff Amiibo from the Super Smash Bros. Series, right down there. And yeah, so I was figuring, while at the end of this video, I will give a recap of the Ash's Greninja EX box that I just opened. So these are the two that you get in there. The small one, and then the jumbo version. And then I got all regular rares for 3 of the 4 packs, and then surprise at the end, I get a Luxray break. So really excited about that pool. So yeah, that's pretty much for today, So there you guys have it, Jigglypuff Amiibo from the Super Smash Bros. Series. Leave a like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more.